In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use list view in Wrike. Now, in Wrike, what you might think of as a traditional list view is actually called table view. So if you're looking for a simple, structured way to see all your tasks in rows, similar to a spreadsheet or a classic to-do list, table view is exactly what you'll want to use. To get started, open the project, folder, or space where your tasks are stored. At the top of the screen, you'll see different view options such as board, Gantt chart, and importantly, table. Look for the option labeled table above your task list and click on it. As soon as you do this, Wrike will switch to a layout that looks like a grid or spreadsheet, with each task displayed as a row. This table view works very much like a list view, but with extra flexibility. You'll see columns for task name, status, assignee, due date, and other key details. You can scroll up and down to see all your tasks in a clean, organized list format. If you want to focus on just a few pieces of information, you can resize or hide columns to make the list easier to scan. You can also edit tasks directly from this view. Click into a cell like the task title or due date and make changes on the spot. This lets you manage many tasks quickly without having to open each one individually. It's especially useful when you're updating statuses, assigning tasks to teammates, or adjusting deadlines across a whole project. If you need more detail on any individual task, simply click its name. This will open the task panel where you can see the full description, add comments, attach files, and review the activity history. When you're done, close the panel and you'll be right back in your list style table view. Over time, you may find that table view becomes your main way of working in Wrike, because it gives you that familiar list-like structure with powerful editing options built in. Remember, whenever someone refers to list view in Wrike, what they usually mean is this table view you access by clicking on it at the top of the screen. So to recap in simple terms, just click on table view above your tasks, and you'll be using Wrike's version of list view